Hi, Tummy Temple community. Heidi Oxner, registered dietitian here in our new location, bringing you a spring video about our complete body reset. This product is 20% off along with all of our Tummy Temple brand products because it's May, which is our birthday month, and we are getting ready to cleanse because it's spring. I mean, it's spring even though it doesn't seem like it's spring, but I promise it really is spring. And so our bodies are ready to do some cleansing. The Complete Body Reset packs are actually really great choice because they're already pre-packed into little packets that you can just take with you, and they are going to address 3 foundational areas that are going to support cleansing. So liver and gallbladder, super important, definitely being focused on in these Complete Body Reset packs, but also the microbiome, so killing off bad bacteria, yeast, things that shouldn't be in our gut. And then also a huge dose of anti-inflammatory support. So that's going to be really helpful because inflammation is an underlying piece in almost all chronic health conditions. And so taking the Complete Body Reset packs, whether you take 1 a day or 3 a day, is a really great way to detoxify really comprehensively, effectively, and it's really easy. It's kind of all put together for you in this package that just makes you not have to think about it, one less thing to worry about. Get those packs in and you will be amazed at the difference. You know, you kind of forget like how good you can feel sort of like as time goes by, and then you do some detox and you go, wow, I forgot that I could feel so amazing, that I could have this much energy, that I could feel this younger, this clear-headed, that I want to eat healthy food now because I'm not tired and exhausted all the time. So yeah, doing a cleanse in the spring is kind of like just the exact perfect timing. So get some Complete Body Reset today and feel a healthy new normal.